Did you know instant coffee has been fueling us since 1890? Over a century later, it powers over 1 billion cups daily. Thanks to Nescafé, this journey starts with the dedication of over 100,000 farmers from coffee-rich regions like Brazil and Vietnam, supplying beans to 24 Nescafé factories worldwide. Let's dive into how these humble cherries become the instant coffee you love. Growing coffee cherries. The journey begins in coffee-growing regions like Brazil, where lush plantations yield vibrant coffee cherries. These cherries take 6 to 9 months to ripen after flowering, turning a deep red when ready for harvest. Farmers carefully monitor ripeness, harvesting only when 95% of cherries are ready, ensuring the best quality for every cup. Harvesting. On large farms, machines with 1,500 vibrating rods gently shake the cherries loose, collecting 60 bags in 5 hours work that would take days by hand. Harvested cherries are quickly transported to the wet mill within 8 to 12 hours to preserve their freshness. Processing, de-pulping and washing. At the wet mill, the cherries are sorted. Ripe cherries are de-pulped, removing the juicy outer layer to reveal the beans inside. The sticky mucilage layer is broken down in fermentation tanks with clean water over 12 to 24 hours, after which the beans are thoroughly washed to remove all residue. Drying and hulling. The beans are sun-dried, turned regularly, and brought to an ideal 11% moisture level. Once dried, the parchment layer is removed using a hulling machine, revealing the green coffee beans. These beans are then packed into 60 kilograms bags, ready for transport. Nescafé factories. Inspection and testing. When the green beans arrive at a Nescafé factory, robotic arms unload and inspect each bag for quality and moisture standards. Before roasting, beans are sifted to remove imperfections. Expert tasters ensure that only the best beans, with the perfect aroma and flavor, move forward. Roasting and grinding. The beans are roasted at 3705 OF, releasing their rich aroma. Light roasts retain more caffeine, while darker roasts deliver bold, intense flavors. After cooling, the beans are ground into a coarse powder, ready for brewing. Drying methods. Spray drying and freeze drying. To create instant coffee. Spray drying. Coffee extract is sprayed into a fine mist and dried with 1 OF air, forming a powder. Freeze drying. Coffee extract is frozen at 58 F, then sublimated at low pressure to preserve maximum flavor and aroma. Filling jars. Finally, the coffee granules are packed. Automated machines fill, seal, and label up to 320 jars per minute, locking in freshness for your next cup. From bean to jar, Nescafé's process ensures a consistent, delicious brew every time. So, the next time you enjoy your morning coffee, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it's been on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Gizmo View for more amazing content.